Hi, my name is Dan Goldreich, and we're here in the Tactile Research Lab at McMaster University. This is Ingrid Kanics, Ryan Peters, and Mike Wong, and we're going to talk to you today about the Tactile Automated Passive Finger Stimulator, or TAPS. TAPS is a device for measuring passive tactile spatial acuity on the fingertip, and I developed it in Duquesne University in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with Ingrid Kanics, and we've since modified it in McMaster University here in Hamilton, Ontario, with Ryan and Mike. And this device is a method for delivering controlled tactile stimuli to the fingertip, controlling for force, onset velocity, and stimulus duration.
This video is organized into 3 sections. First, we provide an overview of TAPS functioning. Next, we show TAPS in action and describe its components so that others may replicate the device. Finally, we illustrate one of many testing protocols that TAPS can conduct, a 2-interval force choice grading orientation experiment with Bayesian adaptive tracking. TAPS uses gravity to press a stimulus surface against the skin. Gravity exerts a downward force on a mass hanging from a rod. This side view shows TAPS with several structures removed in order to clearly illustrate the functioning of the device. The participant's arm rests comfortably in prone position on a tabletop. The fingertip lies over a tunnel in the table. The tunnel is not shown in this diagram. On a lower table, hidden from the participant's view, a stepper motor rotates a disc that holds up to 40 stimulus pieces, positioning one of the pieces under the finger. A crossbar, shown here in red, extends from the movable